Hello and welcome to AI.Shubs in this video where we will be discussing the topic why Google is worried about ChatGPT by OpenAI. As we all know, Google is one of the biggest technology companies in the world, with a wide range of products and services, from search engines to email services and more. However, one area where Google has struggled to make a significant impact is in the field of natural language processing, or NLP. This is where OpenAI comes in, with their cutting-edge technology, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language model that has been trained on a massive amount of data and can generate human-like text with a high degree of accuracy. So why is Google worried about ChatGPT? Well, for starters, ChatGPT has the potential to disrupt a wide range of industries that rely on natural language processing, such as customer service, content creation, and more. Furthermore, Google's own NLP technology, BERT, is not as advanced as ChatGPT. This puts Google at a disadvantage when it comes to competing with other companies in the NLP space. To counteract this, Google is investing in a number of companies and technologies that are working on NLP. For example, Google has invested in companies such as Lilt, which uses machine learning to improve the efficiency of human translators, and Cogniac, which uses AI to analyze visual data. Google is also working on its own NLP technology, such as the Google AI language, which is a neural network-based model for natural language processing. Additionally, OpenAI's decision to open-source ChatGPT, allowing anyone to use it, means that Google may have a hard time monetizing its NLP technology. All in all, ChatGPT represents a significant threat to Google's business, but the company is taking steps to stay competitive in this field. It's important to note that Google is a large and innovative company, and they have the resources and expertise to compete with OpenAI. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for more content on this topic. Note: the above script is just an example. It's not based on any factual information or research, and it's also not endorsed by OpenAI or Google.